The omniscient Lord is the actual knower of the field of the material body, and with his perfect vision, he witnesses both externally and internally all the endeavors of the conditional soul's heart. Please repeat after me. The infallible Lord will not consider me an enemy, even though Kansa has sent me here as his messenger. After all, the omniscient Lord is the actual knower of the field of this material body, and with his perfect vision, he witnesses both externally and internally all the endeavors of the conditioned soul's heart. Purport is very small, only two line. Being omniscient, Lord Krishna knew that Akrura was only externally a friend of Kansa. Internally, he was an eternal devotee of Lord Krishna. Two K's, K for Kansa, K for Krishna. Internally, Akrura is for Krishna. For externally, it apparently looks like he is sent by Kansa. But internally, he is alma, whole soul, dedicated to Krishna. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Hare Krishna. So first of all, I like to pay my obeisances those senior devotees who were sitting in front of me, like Devi Shakti Mataji and our like Guru, His Holiness Radharaman Maharaj, and all the exalted devotees and my friends. So, dear devotees, this chapter, 38th chapter, the name is Akrura's arrival in Vrindavan. The great devotees like Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, they have named this chapter as Akrura's Manoratha. The Manoratha, actually it is very difficult to find the exact English word who can explain the real meaning of Manoratha. We can say the very highly expectations of Akrura from Krishna. Manoratha Maharaj, I am unable to explain what is the exact word. Devi Shakti Mataji, can you? Manoratha. You see, she is very exalted, very senior. But what to do? It is a true fact. We cannot find the exact word in the English dictionary to give the real meaning. Just like ras, just like man, we cannot find the real exact. Just like even dharma, the real word religion is not propagating the meaning of dharma. No. In English dictionary it is mentioned is some kind of faith. But the dharma Prabhupada ji translate the constitutional dharma, the occupational duties. The occupational duties. So we can think where is one kind of faith and where the occupational duty. Dharma means it cannot be divided from that substances. Just like fire, just like water, the water flows down, the fire goes up. So this cannot be take out from this matter of fire or water. So similarly, we can get satisfaction by listening the word Manoratha, Akrur's Manoratha. The situation we can meditate upon it. You see, the Kesi was killed, the Aristasur demon was killed by Krishna. And after that killing, Narad approached Kansa and he explained in the beginning of the meeting. Narad is explaining before Kansa, you know that girl with the daughter of Devaki? Yes, yes. You know who was she? Kansa, yes, I know. Very nice to know. Who was she? Oh, she was the daughter of Yashoda. Yashoda Tanaya. Oh, you are fool number one. You do not know who was she. He was the real daughter of Devaki. Vasudev cheated you. You were completely cheated. You do not know. And you know that those guys, those two boys, the black and another is white, the Krishna and Balaram, you know who are they? Kansa, yes, I know. They are the sons of Vasudev, Nanda. Oh, you are full number one. You do not know. They are the two boys of Nanda. Oh, Kansa touched his head. What kind of fool I am? I do not know. So Narad Muni is the real friend of demon and friend of the demigods. Nobody disobey Narad Muni. Even if he approached Kansa, Kansa would say, "Whoa, Narad, please, come, welcome. What do you need? Thanda or garam? hot or soft? Cold?" So everybody likes Narad Muni. Really Ajat Satru. We read from Bhagavatam, the devotee are Ajat Satru, no enemy in this material world. And we can see the great devotee Narad Muni, he has no enemy. So when Kansa knew everything from Narad Muni, then Kansa was very much angry. Oh, his anger with the top. So he thought, okay, now he take out his talwar, his sword, and immediately he thought that, yes, I will call that two guys and I will kill, so many things. So Narad Muni said, no, you should take action very quiet and a calm mode. जोश में होश नहीं खोना चाहिए. You see, if these things are done beyond your knowing, beyond your intelligence, so how can you dare that you can kill immediately Krishna and Balaram? Don't think that. Your life now is in danger and immediately you will killing your death. It is very dangerous. So then Kansa thought what to do. So in Kansa's court, so many ministers were there, so many real well-wishers of Kansa were there, and in Jaduvanshi, Akrur was also in the Kansa's court. You know, when Kansa was doing atyachar among the Jadus, among the citizens, at that time so many Jaduvanshis fled away. Somewhere in 10th canto it is mentioned. But Eke Tamanurundhanam, a few persons, they cooperating with the Kansa, they stayed with the Kansa in the court. Maharaj, Tamanurundhanam, is there in English word? Tamanurundhanam. Tam Anurundhanam. So they thought, time will come, we will get a chance to see Krishna. That's why, though Kansa was a demon, the Kansa was the deadly enemy of Krishna. Kansa was completely 100% against Krishna. Still, they were agreed to serve Kansa because only one hope: time will come, we will take the opportunity to see Krishna. So this is a very great situation, very typical situation for a devotee. If you see Ramayana, Janak Maharaj instructed Bharat, for the beloved you can die, it is very easy. For Ram, Janak Maharaj asked Bharat, what can you give for Rama? Bharat said, Janak Maharaj, if you can tell me, I can give up my life here, I can give up my pran life to Rama. What more expect you from me? Janak Maharaj said, Bharat, quitting body, giving life to your beloved, it is very easy. But living for the beloved, for the soul, for the Lord, for your loving things, it is very difficult. It is very difficult. Can you getting me? What I want to say? भारत प्रेमी के लिए जीना कठिन है, प्रेमी के लिए मरना तो आसान है. It is very easy to die for the premi, but it is very difficult to die and carry out the order of Rama. It is the real devotee's duty, the mood of the devotee. So this same mentality, Akrur is waiting, Uddhav is waiting. Eka dukkha, Akrur, Uddhav, maybe one or two, they accepted Kansa's atyachar and they accepted Kansa's rule and they accepted to stay in the Mathura. That is the thing. And the time come, you know, if there is a will, there is a hope. If there is a will, there is a way. There is a way. If there is a will, there is a way. So time come. So Kansa said, Akrur, my dear Akrur, Danpate, because Akrur was a very, high in charity. He has got the Samantak money and he giving charity in a high platform. Because that time that Samantak money was giving 8 bhars of gold, Ashtabhar Sona. Even we can't imagine. So Akrur was giving charity. So the name was changed, the Akrur to Danpate. If Danpati word is coming, then we must understand the name of Akrur is Danpate. So Kansa said, my dear Danpate, my dear Akrur, you visit to Braj Vrindavan and bring back Krishna Balaram to here and to Nanda Maharaj and all the Gopas. And I have arranging one Dhanush Jagya, one Rangashala. When Krishna Balaram will come here, my Malaj, my wrestlers will definitely kill the 2 guys. And I will kill all the Gopas, all the Gopis in that Rangashala. You see, Kansa was thinking, Narad explained everything. And Akrur said, my dear king, your thoughts are very nice, but you do not know what is the God's will. वह मनुष्य बहुत कुछ सोचता है, पर होता है ईश्वर की इच्छा से. होई सोई जो राम राचे राखा. You can think so many things. You are dreaming, I will do that, I will do this, I will do so many things. But okay, I will go, definitely I will go, but I do not know what will happen. That's why devotee depends 100% on Krishna, 100%. So Akrur's Manoratha, Akrura was sent by Kansa, and you see from Mathura to Nandagaon, how many kilometers? How many kilometers from Mathura to Nandagaon? Maybe 25 kilometers. Mathura to Nandagaon? 39. 39, अच्छा इतना दूर है. So 39 mile means 50-60 kilometers. 50-60 kilometers. How many times it will take by chariot? If the horse will drive the chariot, how many hours? If the horse will drive the chariot 20 kilometers per hour, so it will take 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. 39 kilometers, 39 kilometers. So 39 kilometers. If you see the tangas are moving here and there, the horse driving the cart, so what is the speed? Maybe even the human being can walk, even the human being can race 10-20 kilometers per hour. But a horse horse race is very fast. So even within 1 and 2 hours, Akrura should reach in Brajmandal, in Nandagaon. But from morning to the evening, Akrura started his yatra, his journey from Mathura from the early morning, Dwadasi morning. And he reached in Nandagaon afternoon, the due time, the evening time, the Godhuli time. Almost 10 hours. What was doing Akrura in the chariot? He was taking halwa puri. If we are traveling from Delhi, we must halt in Palwal, in Sohna, in Kesi. Okay, bring one thanda. If cold season is there, January, there are some hot drinks. But from Nandagaon, from Mathura, there is no such dhaba at that time. So no cold drink, no hot drinks. So Akrura was sitting on the chariot, the horse were walking. 10 hours, 12 hours passed. How the time is passing? You know, the waiting is very difficult. Have you experienced you are waiting for your train in the platform? Oh, so difficult. Train is coming. 2 hours is difficult, like to pass for 1 day. Isn't it? Pratiksha ki ghadi lambi hoti hai. It is very difficult. But you say, Akrura passed that 10 hours within a fraction of moment. Highly, deeply meditation. Akrura was meditating. It will happen. I reached Krishna and I will see Krishna. When I see Krishna Balaram, I will pay my obeisances. I will see the lotus feet of Krishna. I will smear the Brajaraj on my head. And when Krishna Balaram will see me, he will embrace me. Oh, this is the success of life. I do not know what is my fortune. Hiriyamana kala nadya kochit charati kastana. Kochit tarati kastan. In this flows of this time factor, all the living entities are flowing from the birth to a death. So Akrura completely merged in the meditation and meditating upon Krishna's behavior, Krishna's mercy, Krishna's vigor, Krishna's majesty. His whole substance, his whole body, mind and soul merged in the loving thoughts of Krishna. This is the beauty of Bhagavatam. We are not sitting here to simple read the word to word meaning of this sloka. Our heart should be in this sloka. So Akrura is meditating. Even no pleasure is comparable with this meditation. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned, Krishna name je anand sindhu aswadan. Krishna Brahmanand tar age khatu dak sam. The meditation of Krishna, the name of Krishna gives so much pleasure. The Brahmanand is like the water in the footprints of a calf. If the pleasure of the Krishna, the meditation of Krishna is compared the ocean of the pleasure, the Brahmanand is compared the water like in the footprint of a calf. Real devotees, there is no such pleasure you can derive when one meditates upon Krishna's beauty, Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's mercy, Krishna's activities. All are in the absolute platform. So Akrura's whole existence was merged in that thinking. It will happen, it will happen, it will happen. Ashtasattvik vikar, the eightfold vikars. Vikar, what is English? Vikar, Sattvik vikar. The eightfold of Sattvik vikars were seen in the body of Akrura. Completely. Akrura's manorath, expectations. So Akrura was expecting so many things. In the last verse, in the 17th verse, yesterday Mataji was giving, very highly realizable sloka. Very highly realizable sloka. In this sloka, one can give a class for 7 days. Very highly realizable. So Akrura was expecting, Akrura's hope, desires of the mind, manoratha. So many times manoratha word is coming in Bhagavatam. Yasyasti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarvei gunais tatra samasati sura harava bhaktasya kutu mahadguna manorathena asati dhavato vahi. Our mind is always sitting on the chariot who is driving the mind from inside to outside. We are searching pleasure from outside, from rupa, rasa, gandha, sabda, sparsa. In pratishtha, we are searching the pleasure. In rupa, we are searching the pleasure. In sparsa, we are searching the pleasure. This is called manorathena asati dhavato bhahi. But the fault is that, the risky thing is that, we are sitting on the chariot of the mind, manoratha, but that ratha is driven by the uncontrolled senses, and they are taking us, our soul, from inside, from Krishna to Vishaya, which are called the poison. Vishaya is the object of the senses. They are compared as the very deadly poison, like potassium cyanide. Manorathena asati. The senses taking our mind to the asati. Asati means temporary things, freckle things, miserable things. If we touch, we will die. If we taste, we will get distress. But here, sati, manorathena sati, वो सती मनोरथ पर अक्रूर जी बैठे हुए हैं. वेरी नाइस. अक्रूर इज थिंकिंग, वो आई एम गोइंग टू सी कृष्णा हियर इन वृंदावन. I remembered I think 22 years back, our Guru Maharaj did Katha here in Balaram Hall, Akrur's Manoratha. So in this sloka, in this Manoratha, Maharaj is saying, what can be great fortune of a living entity is more than that to see Krishna. If one living entity is stopping the journey of his material existence and he is going towards Krishna, he is starting his journey towards Krishna, what will be the more great fortune is more than this? इससे और जीवात्मा के लिए सद्भाग्य क्या हो सकता है जिस दिन जीवात्मा अपनी यात्रा भगवान के लिए प्रारंभ करता है? What will be the most great fortune? It means Akrur is the most fortunate living entity in this material world. It means Akrur's Manoratha is the real Manoratha, is the topmost Manoratha, is the first class Manoratha that should be done by every living entity. At least in his lifetime, Bharat Bhumite Manusya Janma Hail Jar. If by fortune you are taking birth in the holy land of Bharat, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never say India. Bharat Bhumi, if you are fortunate to take birth in the holy divine soil of Bharat, at least in a lifetime we should do such kind of Manoratha. Yes, one day I must meet Krishna. One day Krishna will embrace me. When that day will come. So with this Manoratha, the right Manoratha, Akrur was sitting side by side. You know, love has two aspects, side. जो प्रेमी होता है वो अनिष्ट की आशंका भी करता है, अनिष्ट संकया. तो Akrur is thinking it will happen, it will happen, it will happen. But side by side he is thinking, how can I expect this? How can I expect this? I am the messenger of Kansa, the deadly enemy of Krishna. The world is saying, I am the messenger of Krishna. Who is Akrura? He is the Duta of Krishna. Everybody knows. Who is Hanuman? Everybody knows. The very designation of Hanuman is not Hanuman. No. The nice designation, Hanuman always like to say, I am Rama Duta. I am the messenger of Rama. Hanuman never says, my name is Hanuman. Who is, what is your name? Oh, my name is Rakhal Raja Das. Okay. But I am the servant of Prabhupada. Ramaduta, the servant. When Hanuman is saying like that, because he is our Acharya of Dasya Yoga and the servitorship, Hanuman is the Acharya. Hanuman says, Ramaduta, I am the servant of Rama. And when he said like that, he was very proud. He felt proudy. And we must feel proud when we say, yes, I am the messenger of Prabhupada. Prabhupada ki jai. Yes, we are the messenger. This is the mood and mission. So Akrur felt, alas, I am doing so many expectations. My hope is high, the top of the sky. But why Krishna will give me value? Because I am the messenger which deadly enemy comes. You see, my devotees, I am uttering the word enemy. No, nobody is enemy of Krishna. But apparently, in this context, we see Kansa is the enemy, Krishna. You know, Krishna is the hero and Kansa is the villain. Double K. KK. This is a chapter of KK. Have you seen the picture PK? Like KK. One is Krishna, another is Kansa. The story of KK. Ka. So Kansa is sending, Akrura is coming, and side by side Akrura is thinking, no, it will not happen. Namai upeshati aribuddhim achyutaha. He is uttering the name Achyuta, the infallible. Sanatana Goswami explains, Alupta Jnana Aishwaryayoh. Achyuta can be that personality whose knowledge and whose Aishwarya, wealth cannot be diminished. वो कम नहीं हो सकता. अलुप्त ज्ञान. We are lupta jnana. We are not achyuta. Though we are son of achyuta, but we are very chuta. We are chuta. From when we are here, we do not know. In last life, who is my mother, who is my father, we do not know. Krishna says, what is that verse? Gita mein, Bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschana. Yes, Veda ham samatitani vartamanani charjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschana. Arjuna bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna. Arjun, my dear friend, you and me, have passed so many lifetimes. I know them, you don't. Alupta. Krishna, his name is Achyuta. So, when there is a nirasa, there is a hopelessness, there is a hope. One devotee, the real devotee, can never be suffered by the disease of depression. और डिप्रेशन बीमारी को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? है ना, वो बीमारी होती है डिप्रेशन. वो आई कैन नॉट डू, नथिंग कैन बी डन बाय मी. नो, devotee is always enthusiastic. Yes, for one moment the thoughts came to Akrura's mind. Yes, it can be, it can happen. Krishna can think this is from the side of my enemy. You see, लंका में रावण के मित्र कौन है? सभी रावण है. यही तो इंद्र सोचता था, हिरण्यकशिपु का बेटा होगा दूसरा हिरण्यकशिप. भाई, अब एक बात है, घोड़े का बच्चा घोड़ा ही तो होता है. तो the son of Hiranyakashipu might be the son like Hiranyakashipu. That's why Indra was trying to killing Prahlad. But this is the case, something different. Though hope is coming, the thoughts are coming, but Akrura thinking, no, it cannot be happen. Because you see, if for one moment Krishna is think, yes, this is the side from my enemy side, what will happen? What will happen? From 5 kilometers from Nandagaon, all the Gopas will gather and he will beat Akrura. He will break the chariot and he will take the life here of Akrura. Like it will happen like Kesi, it will happen like Aristasur, like demons, Jadgatwana nivartante. जो गया सो वापिस नहीं आया. अक्रूर को पीट देंगे, उसके रथ को तोड़ देंगे. यही तो होगा. और क्या होगा? What will happen? But Akrura said, no. It will never happen. Because my Lord is Achyut. Upeshyati means he will not think like that. Why? Because he is Achyut. His knowledge is infallible. He knows me. He knows my attitude. because he is Achyuta. Immediately we can develop attitude of enmity to our friend. Prabhupada says, in this material world, within one moment both are friend, the another moment both are enemy. It happens. But Krishna, no. रहती न प्रभु चित चूक किए की करत सुरती सया बारहिए की. Our Lord does not see the dosas of living entities, the bad qualities of. Always he sees the good qualities. Otherwise, why Krishna says, if you give me one fold of water, I will sell myself on your hand. विक्रणते. कृष्ण अपने आप को बेच देते हैं यदि कोई तुलसी पत्ता और एक अंजलि भर जल देता है. मनुष्य अपने जीवन में अनेक गलतियां करता है. We do so many wrongs in our lifetime. We are not able to even stand before Krishna. मत्तुल्य नास्ति पापात्मा नापराधी च कश्चन. रूप गोस्वामी जी saying, परिहारेपि लज्जा में है. Oh, we are ashamed of my activities. किम ब्रुवे पुरुषोत्तम. हे पुरुषोत्तम, how can I say, how can I pray before you? How can I stand before you? But one hope, Lord is Achyuta. He knows everything. He knows everything. Kansasya duta prahito. Though I am sent by Kansa, but Vishwadrik, you see, all the adjectives are used for Krishna. Achyuta, their name is Krishna. If one name we remember Achyuta, we will be hopeful. Yes, Krishna will give mercy. Vishwadrik mane, he knows everything, inside and outside. You know, Sahasra Pani Padam Tat Sahasrakshisiru Mukham Sarvatra Sruti Malloke Sarvam Avrati Trishtati. Anything we do, Krishna says. Nothing is hide from Krishna. So the Vishwadruk, Krishna knows the Vishwadruk. Why? Jo antar bahir. Krishna resides in outside, also in the inside. This is the hope for the devotees. Chetasaha etad ihitam. What activities Jivatma do, Krishna, ihitam mane chesta. The activities, the actions, what Jivatma is doing, Krishna knows every moment. Kshetragya. Why? Krishna is a Kshetragya. Kshetragya chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetresu bharatah kshetra gayor jnanam yattaj jnanam matam mama. Idam sariraya kshetramiti avidhyate. Idam sariram kauntaya kshetramiti avidhyate. Etat jo veti tam prahu kshetragyati tatvidya. We are kshetragyas, but we only know our bodies, our kshetra. But Krishna, the Lord, the Vishwadrik, the Achyut, he knows the all bodies. If I pain your body, Achyut will not happy to me. That's why for the devotees, always word is used, Sarva Bhuta Hite Rata. हिंसक कभी भगवत भक्त नहीं हो सकता. Never. Because our philosophy says, our darshan says, Krishna feels even a little pain of the another body. How can you kill another living entity? For your tongue, how can you offend a living entity? How can you insult living entity when we see that Krishna is the Kshetragya? This is the application of this. Ikshate amalena chakshusa. How Krishna sees? Krishna sees with amalena chakshusa. Amala chakshu. We have mala chakshu. Mala chakshu means our eyesight, our vision is covered by the three modes of material nature, by goodness, by the mode of passion, by the mode of darkness. How can we see Prabhu? But Krishna sees amalena chakshusa. Krishna see the inside of Akrura. How? You see how this sloka is helpful for us in our life, especially for the Grihastha life is. Often Mataji are asking, because we are preaching, doing Bhagavatam, so many Mataji asking us, Prabhu, in our home, my husband is doing like this. My father-in-law is expecting from this from me. So many things are happening in the family life. This sloka can be helpful. Mataon, ladies, this sloka can be helpful. You can give this message to the society. Akrura is saying, no, Krishna knows my heart. You see, in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Tesam evanu kampartham aham agyanajam tamaha nasayami atma bhavastho. Our Guru Maharaj says, if one devotee really wants to meet Krishna, Krishna helps in so many ways. Atma bhavasto, Krishna is residing within our heart. When Krishna thinks that yes, this Prabhu is trying to meet me, trying to attend me, oh, Krishna helps. In 11th canto, Uddhav says, Jo antar bahire, oh Guru, there are two gurus, one is Siksha Guru, Chaitya Guru. The Krishna is residing as Chaitya Guru. Chaitya means who resides in Chitta is called Chaitya. So Krishna is Chaitya Guru. What you are doing, you are coming Mangala Arati, very nice. We are chanting 16 round, very nice. We are doing service, very nice. But our mind is moving in another crooked activities. Everything is zero. But Krishna is seeing our inside. Tesam evanu kampartham aham agyanajam tama nasayami atma bhavasto. I am sitting inside of the heart. I know that devotee is real wants to me. It want me. He like to attend me. That's why help. So this is the very much helpful for the ladies. Because in our society, husband is telling the wife, okay, you are my wife, you must cooking non-veg for me. Isn't it? In Bengal, in Orissa, it happens. If the devotee, if the wife is devotee, husband demands, you are my wife, I am your God. You must cook non-veg for me. Isn't it, Rakhal Raja? Happens. Because Pati Parameshwar, Pati is instructing, yes, my dear wife, this is Bhakuda Macha. This is the fish of Bhakuda. You must cook for me. What to do there? Patni will say, no, I am the great devotee of Krishna. I am chanting 16 rounds. I cannot cook. What will happen? Conflict. The whole family will finish. At that time, that lady should do that. Yes, you can cook. Krishna knows your heart. You know, on the first time Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave one sloka. Parabhyasanini nari vyagrapi griha karmaso tam eva aswadeti anta navasanga rasayanam. When woman is married, when girl is married, okay, he is a lover, he is her husband. But some cases, if that woman has some loving relationship with another man, what is called in English? Paramar? Paramar. If that lady is involved in that case, she was very cautious, because she acts in such a way, her father-in-law, her husband, her brother-in-law,
उसकी ननद यानी उसके हर सिस्टर इन लॉ, दे इवन डू नॉट नो, दे नो वो our bahu, our I mean husband thinks my wife is very chaste, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says parabhyasin nari, but side by side that lady, that woman is always thinking her paramar, the loving relationship with that another person. Though she is doing all her family duties very nicely without any defect, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expects same mentality from us. Though we are involved ourselves in the factory, in the job, in the family duties, so many activities. The ladies, they are rearing their child, है ना, बच्चों को खिला रही है, पिला रही है, पर मन है कृष्ण के पास. गृहे गृहे ब्रजबधू कदम्बा. This is the mood of Braja, real Braja. They are doing all family activities, but their mood is the Krishna. In Gitam, Jugal Gitam, you can see, without any moment, without any friction of moment, the gopis are not different from Krishna, always thinking. So my dear devotees, this is the real instruction. We can do outwardly anything. What to say, what to speak. Even Amrpali Vesya, the prostitute, the name is Amrpali. She became the great devotee of Buddha. Pingala Vesya, she became the great devotee of Krishna. And the Muslim prostitute who came to fall Haridas Thakur, Mughal Vansiya Vesya Parama Sundari. लोग जो नहीं जानते कहते हैं कि उसका नाम लक्ष्य हीरा. No. That Vesya, that prostitute came to Haridas Thakur. She was a Muslim lady from Mughal Empire, very beautiful. She came to Haridas and she became the devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The Muslim lady became the devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Pingala, devotee of Krishna, and Amrpali became devotee of Lord Buddha. Though outwardly they are very degraded, but Krishna knows our heart. We are doing our family activities, but kar se karam करहि विधि नाना मन राख्यो जहाँ कृपा निधाना. You can do your duties by your kara, many hands, and keep your mind in the Krishna Kshetragya. In this way, and also 3 stories in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Srikant came. Srikant pay obeisances without taking out his petangi mane coat. Once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Puri, Srikant Sen, the son of Shivanand Sen, he came to Jagannath Puri paying obeisances to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Govind says, Srikant, petangi khol, petangi utar. Petangi, you understand? Jacket, coat. This is not the spiritual injection, scriptural injection, that with that coat, with that kurta, we should pay obeisance. No, in South Bharat, you will take out all kurta, all banyan, bare body, you have to pay obeisances. This is the scriptural injection. The same injection, when the Srikant came to Puri, so he paid pay obeisances to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Srikant, petang utar, take out your coat. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu forbade Govinda. No. Now he is in an angry mood. Because Nityananda Prabhu kicked Shivanand Sen. And with that anger, Srikant came here. His mood is disturbed. So don't disturb him. No. Then Srikant came to know, oh, he is Sarvagya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Sarvagya. Otherwise, how he knows my mood? How not? In Chaitanya Charitamrita, you can find 3-4 instances. When he met Brahmananda Bharati, Brahmananda Bharati was wearing the deer skin. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ignored Brahmananda Bharati. So Brahmananda Bharati thought, oh, my wearing this deer skin is not liked by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, I have to wear saffron cloth. So when he was thinking like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Govinda, okay, Govinda, bring one set of saffron cloth. So he bring dhoti and bhirvasa, then Brahmananda Bharati. The Brahmananda Bharati understood, yes, he is the omniscient. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the omniscient. Where Srikant cases, he knows. So many cases you can find. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave these things. When Haridas wanted to quit his body, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. So, my dear devotees, mothers, ladies, this sloka says Krishna is Kshatragya, Vishwadrak. So, whatever our outside condition may be, if inside in our mind we are devoted to Krishna, we must be very much loved by Krishna. This is the instructions of the sloka. I think 2, 3, 5 minutes more, please excuse me. In this sloka we can take 2, 3 classes. Very nice. You see, the Dharmatma Prabhu gave me 5 slokas. What can I do with the 5 slokas? Will play these slokas or what? One sloka is sufficient. So I requested and I saw the constitutional right that yes, this sloka has at least 2 lines per part. माने कानूनी तौर पर हमने सही सिद्ध किया भाई, बिना परपट का हमने लिया नहीं, परपट हैं. सो आई थिंक व्हाट इज अवर मोड, जथामति जथाशक्ति, जैसे गुरुओं का आशीर्वाद है. सो आई एक्सप्लेन दिस श्लोक. सो लेट अस वी शुड क्लोज, लेट अस वी शुड स्टॉप दिस क्लास हियर. हरे कृष्णा. एनी क्वेश्चन? So Maharaj, my English is very bad. Any comment? Any comment? Please. One comment.
You actually explained my concept approach. Same time we were doing the bliss that we were going to see Krishna's face directly. And then I regret.
Yes.
I am servant and messenger of
Kansa.
And not only this, I am sent by him.
Yes.
Given this mission.
Yeah.
So both aspects. The first of my whole time I am servant of Kamsa, and this particular duty I assigned to by him. So this was the anguish.
Yes. हाँ. उसके रिग्रेस. Any question? One question? Yes. रख लो. Anything wants to take Mahaprasadam, please, forward from Prasad Hall. We are here, we are 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, yes.
Mathura and Vrindavan distance is very, not very far.
12 kilometers. 12.
So, why to kill Krishna? They have Kamsa planning in such a way, and he may come anytime or he can kill Krishna or like that. Any stories?
So your question is that Kamsa should come here in Vrindavan, he can kill?
Yeah, he is a king. He was the king for the whole area, and so he can.
Okay.
So why?
Very nicely. Your question, because you are a devotee, you have your simple heart. Yes, because in diplomacy, so many things are considered. The Rajaniti is not like simple niti. We are thinking like that. But if Kansa is thinking that if I would come to Vrindavan, do you think that Krishna will leave Kansa to Mathura? Krishna will kill. So Kansa has his kila. Kila means fort in Mathura. Kansa has all his equipments. Kansa has all his parsads, mantris and mallas are here. So better to bring Krishna Balaram to Mathura. So in my fort, in my home, just tell me the simple answer. If you are killing, you want to kill somebody in his home, is it easy, or in your home, is it easy? Yes, that's the thing. So many things in diplomatic way you can think, so many factors are responsible. Because Kansu was a political leader, he was a king. He knows the politics very nicely. That is called Kutniti. Kutniti. Kutniti means that niti appears something different and inside something different. Here is also Kutniti. Kansa is applying Kutniti. Okay, when Krishna Balaram will hear that, okay, there is a Mathura Dhanush Jatra, so many people are coming, so many jhulas will be there, we will there, so many things. But inside Kansa is thinking, oh, when they will enter in the Rangasala, my Kubalya Pid will smash them. If यदि वो वहाँ से बच गए, then my मल्ल, चाणूर, मुष्टिक, साल, तोसल, they will उसको चूरा बना देंगे. तो भाई सबको, अच्छा लोग भी पूरा नहीं मानेंगे. अगर कंस डायरेक्टली अप्रोच देयर इन वृंदावन इज किलिंग, तो व्हाट विल थिंक पब्लिक, व्हाट विल बी थॉट ऑफ द सिटीजन? नो नो नो, यू आर ए डिवोटी, यू आर थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, बट इन डिप्लोमेटिक वे समथिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? हरे कृष्ण. सो धन्यवाद, मेनी मेनी थैंक्स. एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द मदर साइड, लेडी साइड? नो, थैंक्स. हरे कृष्णा. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय. गौर प्रेमानंदे. हरि हरि.